We want to talk about the importance of early engagement, engaging with manufacturers before we start actually constructing, so that we can identify suitably tested solutions. We can help you with training, CPD, initial CPD, and later in the stage, more specific training. We could talk you through our Quell Selector, fantastic tool for identifying appropriately tested solutions for your specific projects. We've then got a whole library of BIM store, MBS specification, accessories to help you with the design, ultimately enabling you to bring all together those tested details into project specific details. Obviously we offer ongoing technical support, installation guides, and with that toolbox talk or product installation training sessions, and finally we're here just to showcase some of our example installs.